Welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is on simplification of linear expressions. Recall the previous videos we had show how we can simplify algebra when we have like terms and unlike terms. Now we're taking a step further in the simplification of linear expressions involving algebra. Now let's apply the principles we've learned so far in simplifying the following expressions. Now let's assume I have this question. Number one, I have 10x minus 8s plus 2 plus 10. What will be the answer to this question? Now notice that the expression has been arranged for you. The values that have x is taken to one side, and then the values without x are taken to one side. So this is easy. 10x minus 8x will give me 2x, and plus 2 plus 10 will give me plus 12. That is the answer to the question. Let's go to number 2. I have 3a plus 7 plus 2, open bracket, 3 plus a. Now what do I need to do? Now here we would apply the rule of BODMAS, which says that in an expression, if there is a bracket, solve the bracket first before you simplify every other values in the question. So in this case, I'll keep my 3a plus 7 plus. Now at this point, I will simplify 2 open bracket 3 plus a close bracket. Now here I have plus 2. So plus 2 times 3 will give me plus 6. Plus 2 times plus a will give me plus 2a. The bracket is gone. The next step is to collect like terms. Those that have similar values, stick them to one side. For example, this is 3a and 2a. Bring them to one side. And so my expression will become 3a plus 2a plus 7 plus 6. This will eventually give us 3a plus 2a, 5a, 7 plus 6, 13. And this is the answer to the question. I'm going to number 3. If I have 3, open brackets, m minus 5, close brackets, plus m. What will be the solution to this question? Again, there's a bracket, so I'm going to expand the brackets. 3 times m will be 3m. 3 times minus 5 will be minus 15 plus m. Collect like terms. This will be 3m plus m minus 15. 3m plus m is 4m minus 15. That's the answer to the question. Now moving to number 4. Number 4 question, I have 2x plus 10 minus 7s plus 8 plus 3x minus 7. So how do I solve this question? This will entail I collect like terms. So this is 2s minus 7s plus 3s, no more s. And then we start taking the other values, plus 10, plus 8, minus 7. And what I do to be ensure that I do not make any mistake is to count my terms and make sure I did not omit anyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So which means I have collected all the like terms. And taking another step. 2s minus 7x. If you like, you can decide to add first before you subtract so that your work becomes easier. So I'll say 2x, bring it to one side, plus 3s minus 7x plus 10 plus 8 minus 7. The reason why I'm taking this step is because I don't want to make a mistake. 2x plus 3x is 5s minus 7x plus 10 plus 8 is 18 minus 7. And this will become 5s minus 7s. This is minus 2s. 18 minus 7 plus 11. This expression can be arranged as 11 minus 2s. That is the answer to the question. Now let's move to number 5. In number 5 question, I have 8c minus 4 minus 2c plus 5. Now how do I simplify this? Again, I'm going to collect like terms. 8c minus 2c plus 5 minus 4. And this will become 8c minus 2c is 6c plus 5 minus 4 is 1. So my answer becomes 6c plus 1. Let's take number 6. I have minus 4 plus 7z plus 3 minus 2z. Now this will become 7z minus 2z plus 3 minus 4. So when you rearrange your expression, you have to be very careful of the sign. Wherever the values go, the signs will follow. For example, I have plus 7z, this is plus 7z. I have minus 2z, this is minus 2z. I have plus 3, this is plus 3. I have minus 4, this is minus 4. The signs are very important. If you make mistake, it will affect the value you eventually get. 7z minus 2z is 5z. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So this is the value or the answer to this expression. Now I am moving to number 7. Number 7 question is 15 plus 4 open bracket 5y minus 10. If I have a question like this, what do? This is 15 plus Expand the bracket. 4 times 5y is 20y. 4 times minus 10, it's minus 40. Collect like terms. This will be 15 minus 40 plus 20y. What is 15 minus 40? That will give you minus 25. Remember, a smaller number is subtracting a bigger number, so it is going to have the minus attached to it. Then plus 20y. You can also leave your answer in this form, plus 20y minus 25. Either this or this, it's correct. It's just for you to understand what you're doing. And move into number 8. Number 8 question is 2d plus 17 minus 3 minus 2d plus 4d. If I have an expression like this, what do I do? How do I solve this? It's still the same process. Collect like terms. This is 2d. Pick all the d's plus 4d. I pick the plus first before picking the minus 2d. That way it's easier for me to subtract, add without making a mistake. I'm done picking all the d's, so I go pick the other numbers. Plus 17 minus 3. Again, I'm going to count to make sure the expression is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing I want you to also check are the signs attached to the terms. This is plus 2d, this is plus 2d. This is plus 17, this is plus 17. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 2d, minus 2d. Plus 4d, plus 4d. So that means our expression is correct. At this point, you can simplify. 2d plus 4d is 6d minus 2d plus 17 minus 3 is 14. Simplify further. 6d minus 2d is 4d plus 14. There is a reason why I am doing it this way, taking it step by step, so that you will understand how I get my values. But at some point, I will be jumping some step, because at that point, I will hope you have understood to a large extent how to simplify algebra. Now let's move to number 9. I have 12n minus 8 minus 2n plus 10 minus 4. It's still the same process. Call it like terms. 12n minus 2n plus 10 minus 8 minus 4. Count the terms to make sure they are complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The terms are complete. Another thing you need to check out for, the signs are accurate. This is plus 12n, this is plus 12n. Minus 8, minus 8. Minus 2n, minus 2n. Plus 10, plus 10. Minus 4, minus 4. So that's correct. 12n minus 2n is 10n. 10 minus 8 is 2. And that 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. So that's the answer to my question. Number 10. The work is becoming easier now, right? I have 8, open bracket, 2k plus 1 plus 3k. This is expand 8 times 2k, 16k, 8 times 1 plus 8, 8 times 3k plus 24k. Collect like terms. 16k plus 24k plus 8. And this should give you 16k plus 24k, that's 40k plus 8. That is the answer to the question. Number 11. In number 11, I have 4, open bracket, 2b plus 2, close bracket, minus 3. This will be, expand this bracket, 4 times 2b, 8b. 4 times 2 plus 8, then minus 3. And this is 8b, 8 minus 3, that will give you plus 5. Number 12, this should be the last one. I have minus 4 plus 8p minus 6p minus 5 plus 20p. Again, I'm going to collect like terms. Plus 20p plus 8p minus 6p minus 4 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. This is minus 4 plus 8p plus 8p minus 6p minus 6p minus 5 minus 5 plus 20p plus 20p. So the terms are accurate. 20 plus 8, 20p plus 8p is 28p. And 28p minus 6p will give you 22p. That's clear enough. Then minus 4 minus 9. Minus 4 minus 9, pardon, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. So minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. And this is the answer to the question. So we could see that it's quite easy for us to simplify algebra. Now, I'm going to give you some questions to simplify for me. Test my IQ. Simplify the following. The questions I will give you will be similar to what we've just done. Now, let's assume I have 6y minus 8y plus 5 minus 10. Number 2, I have 5x minus 9 minus 3, open bracket, 4 minus x. Number 3, if I have 4n minus 6 plus 2n. Number 4, I have 3a plus 15 minus 7a minus 11 plus 4a minus 5. Number 5, let this be 60 minus 7 minus 90 plus 8. Let this be number 6. Minus 7 plus 4y plus 5 minus 7y. Number 7, I have 12 plus 2, open bracket, 7x x minus 8. Number 8. This is 5 open bracket 3b minus 2 minus 4b. If this b is going to confuse you, thinking instead of 6, we can decide to change it to something else. But if you're not going to get confused, I'll be fine. So record this is b, 3b minus 2 minus 4b. So don't make a mistake of thinking it's something else. So let's go to number 9. This is, let this be 2, 5y minus 3 plus 6. And the last question is minus 10 minus 3p minus 6p minus 6. This is 6 and plus 5p. Please work the solution to these questions out. Put your answer in the comment section. Let's see who will be the first to get the 10 questions correctly. Remember to subscribe